How to add LUTs to CapCut. In this video, I will show you where to get free lookup tables referred to as LUTs, how you import them into CapCut, and then how you can use them. Let's get started. Lookup tables are essential tools used in color grading to alter the colors and tones of an image or video. They are mathematical formulas that map one set of color values, input, to another, output, enabling filmmakers and editors to apply specific looks, moods, or styles to their footage consistently and efficiently. Color Grading Central offers 70 free lookup tables at colorgradingcentral.com. They will email you a link to a zip file that you can download and extract to a Documents folder on your PC. Next, open CapCut and click on the Adjustment tab located in the upper left-hand panel. This will open the LUT import button. Next, select Import and navigate to the location you placed your extracted LUT files. Select All and click Open. The files will be imported into CapCut and ready for you to use. On the upper right-hand panel, under the Adjustment tab, navigate to the LUT drop-down menu. Here you can preview each LUT. Think of lookup tables as predefined color adjustments. Lookup tables act like filters that can instantly change the color profile of your footage. They are especially useful for achieving consistent color correction or stylized looks. Make your selection, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more tips. See you in the next video.